In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed HTML inside of Gmail email. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and get that HTML. So what I've done here, I've just gone straight over to ChatGPT and I just said, give me an example of HTML I can use for my YouTube video. So I'm going to copy this code here. So we've got that out the way. Now from here, I want to go back to Gmail, go ahead and click on Compose. And now a new message box should appear. From here, I'm just going to type in 5 zeros. And then I'm going to highlight this and click on inspect. So right click it, click on inspect, and now you're going to see a bunch of stuff appear on the right hand side. From here, we want to go ahead and you can see here the 5 zeros. We basically want to delete that and paste the code in here. But before we do that, we need to right click it and then go ahead and click on edit as HTML. Find the number sequence or whatever you put in there just to make it easier to identify. Now delete that and I'm going to paste that code in. From here, I'm going to click out of it. Then you can see on the left hand side that HTML has been embedded into my Gmail email.